Namaskar. I would like to welcome distinguished guests, speakers and participants to this Fintech event being launched by Niti Aayog today. My special gratitude to Shri Ashwani Vaishnavji, Honorable Minister of IT, Telecommunications and Railways, for agreeing to inaugurate the event and launching the various competitions. We at Niti Aayog are delighted to organize the Fintech Month, which will provide a platform for the fintech industry to come together and find ways to collaborate across stakeholder groups, exchange ideas that will help in fostering innovation and growth. India is witnessing increasing digitization that will provide greater and easier access to financial services, will aid the shift in consumers' financial behavior from cash to wallets and UPI. The expansion of digital payments is an important pivot to creating a more equitable, prosperous, and financially inclusive India. Financial inclusion is central to the social security architecture of modern India. Reserve Bank of India's first Financial Inclusion Index report stated a 24% improvement in financial inclusion between March 2017 and March 2021. Government schemes like the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana and Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana have led to an exponential rise in financial inclusion across the country. The rise of fintech startups, some of which are actively participating in this month-long endeavor, have accelerated financial inclusion as they innovated to simplify and make accessible digital payments, credit investments, and financial services to every Indian. India is today recognized as global fintech hub, with the UPI becoming a global case study. UPI has been at the heart of India's digital payment revolution, witnessing over 456 crore UPI transactions worth about Rs 8.27 lakh crore in December 2021. This is nearly double this since the start of 2021. The continued success of UPI has required a collaborative effort from the government to the central bank, from the largest public sector banks to private institutions, fintech companies, and of course the consumers. UPI is the biggest success story facilitated by an open ecosystem. Therefore, the underlying theme of the Fintech Month is open, which truly resonates with us at Niti Aayog, as we are firm proponents of having an open ecosystem as the true enabler of innovation. I firmly believe that if we are to democratize digital payments, accelerate financial inclusion, promote financial literacy, and consumer protection for every Indian, we need to be open to change, open to collaborate, and open to co-innovate with this singular purpose. And that is the true agenda of this month-long event. During the next few weeks, Niti will present a platform to all stakeholders to collaborate, innovate, and build meaningful frameworks for the financial open ecosystem. I am really excited to see the countless possibilities and opportunities that will be presented by the bright minds of our country. I am sure all the participants will find the sessions and events extremely enriching and interesting. Dhanyavad.
I congratulate the Niti Aayog for organizing the month-long FinTech competition. This event, this series of events will help our developer community, our students and the industry to come together and create new solutions. We in India, under Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji's leadership, believe in creating more and more open platforms. A classic example is the CoWIN platform, the UPI platform. There are platforms getting built up for logistics, for health, for education. So the concept of this open platform is that the public investment goes into creating the platform. Over and above this, many private entrepreneurs, many private developers, tech startups, they can come, join the public platform and create new solutions for the people. So for example, in the case of UPI, today about 270 banks are already connected with the UPI, and hundreds of entrepreneurs, tech startups have provided solutions which are really helping the country's fintech adoption rate. So you would be knowing fintech adoption rate in the country is among the highest globally. It is estimated to be 87% adoption rate, and much of this adoption rate today is in the tier 2 and tier 3 cities. About 2,100 plus startups are contributing to fintech. We understand that the valuation of many of these fintechs startups will go above $150 billion in the coming 2 to 3 years. There are 8 unicorns already in the fintech space. I am very happy to share with you that Niti Aayog is setting up a new hackathon, a new challenge for the startups to come up with solutions which are relevant for the society, which are useful for the society. There is also a very important students competition. So these two new competitions will open up new challenges, new opportunities for the entrepreneurs, developers, and the tech startups. Friends, a historical step has been taken by Prime Minister. In this budget, the first approach to digital currency in the country has been announced. So Reserve Bank of India will now issue a digital rupee. This will be a game changer for our economy, for the country, for the citizens. The safety and security of financial transactions over the net, the ease of handling rupee, the actual monitoring of the monetary and fiscal policy, all these things will get converged into the digital rupee solution. So I request all the startups to participate in a big way. This is a great way to build the nation. So please come together and participate in the digital rupee revolution also. I congratulate all of you, wish you all the best for this month-long event, series of events, and hope, and I'm sure, confident that some very innovative solutions will come out of this competition. Thank you.